Hello, my name is Kuni Kawahara. I'm CEO of Solid Alliance. I would like to introduce this product. This is the world's first refrigerator digital pad from Japan. This notebook-shaped animal not only reminds you to close the door when the door is open too long, but also talk to you every day according to the time.
What you looking for?
How to use Fridgeezoo is very simple. You just power on the switch and put it in the refrigerator. When you want to teach the time to animal, you just press the button on the back once.
Okay, it's morning.
To set the time, all you have to do is to press the button to set a period time between the time 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the morning. If the animal do not understand the time, then all you have to do is to press it again. Every time you open the refrigerator door, they talk to you. If you keep the door open for a long time, then they will remind you to close the door. We have been selling Fridgeezoo since 2010, and we have shipped over 600,000 pieces only for the Japan market so far. This is actually the first overseas model of Fridgeezoo. Actually, the 1.7 billion people out of the 70 billion of the worldwide population speak English. So that means we cover the 1/4 of the total population may use the Fridgeezoo. This is really the wonderful challenge for us. But why those animals need to be in a refrigerator? Due to the global warming, environmental hazardness, food shortage, those animals have lost their place to live. That's why they go into the people's refrigerator to live. Today, I would like to make a proposal to you. I would like to ask you to let them live in your refrigerator. So those animals make you smile every day. Thank you.